Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on the smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. And in settings, find the option called display and brightness, this one. Once you find the option called display and brightness, tap on it to enter the menu. And here you should see the option called brightness. But before that, by default, you will have the automatic brightness enabled. And if it's enabled, you won't be able to change the brightness manually. So first you need to disable the automatic brightness by tapping on the switch here. Once you disable it, you can go back, tap on brightness, and then you can adjust the brightness by swiping up and down on the screen. And once you adjust the brightness to your liking, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.